Hey everyone, if you're using a Saily SIM while traveling or just exploring a new country, you might be wondering if you can actually make calls with it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how it works in a simple and easy way. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder. There's an affiliate link in the description, and you can use the coupon code there to get 15% off any Saily SIM plan. A nice little discount for your next trip. So here's how it works. The Saily SIM is mainly designed for mobile data, but yes, you can make calls as long as you use internet-based calling apps. That means apps like WhatsApp, Viber, Skype, or FaceTime. If you have data, you can call without any problem. To do it, just make sure your Saily SIM is active and you're connected to the internet. Then open your calling app of choice, select the person you want to reach, and start the call. That's really all there is to it. Now, if you prefer regular phone calls like a traditional mobile plan, some Saily SIM packages do include a local number. With those plans, you can make standard calls just like a local SIM. It depends on the plan you pick, so always check the details first. A couple of quick tips for smarter use. Try to connect to Wi-Fi whenever you can to save your mobile data. And before you travel internationally, double-check your plan, so you're covered in the country you're visiting. So yes, making calls with a Saily SIM is totally possible, either through internet calling apps or with a local number if your plan includes one. Don't forget to use the affiliate link in the description to grab your 15% discount. Stay connected, enjoy your travels, and happy calling.